and welcome back. Before we get into today's video, if you don't mind, please hit the subscribe button and the like button. Now today we are going to bake banana bread. So if you're ready, please join me for some baking. Today you need to preheat your oven to 160 degrees, and before we weigh out our ingredients, let's wash our hands. Nice and clean. This is my favourite banana bread recipe, so please join in and follow along with me. Let's begin with 75 grams of plain flour. Pop that in our bowl. Lovely. Make sure you get out any big lumps you may have in your flour. Just give that a little whisk. Add 75 grams of caster sugar. We can add that to our mixing bowl with our flour. Half a teaspoon of baking powder. Just like that. Lovely. And half a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. Add just 50 grams of softened butter. We will mix it all together in a moment. Add 1 egg and 1 tablespoon of milk. Add 1 very ripe banana, 100 grams in weight. I'm going to put this in a separate bowl and mash it. Let's mash our banana. Great mashing, everyone. And if you would like, you can add 50 grams of chocolate chips. Now we can add our mashed banana and our chocolate chips and mix it all together. We have mixed all of our ingredients together, and now it's time to add the mixture to a prepared loaf tin. In here I have softened butter and non-stick baking paper. Give it a little shake, and now it's ready to be put in the oven for about 40 to 45 minutes on 160 degrees. Make sure adults you do this bit. Great job, everyone. Now that's in the oven, we've done all of the hard work. We have about 40 minutes. So please join me in creating some banana fruit art. Here I have some bananas, cucumber, broccoli, apricots and some lettuce. So let's see what I'm going to create today. Have fun, everyone, and remember, adults always take care of sharp objects. Let's do it. Getting the right nutrition to keep our bodies healthy is one of the most important things we need to do. Did you know breakfast is the most important meal of the day? It gives you the fuel you need to be active and productive. Whether you are going to school or off to do something fun, your body needs to be fed, just like a car needs fuel. Adding protein to your breakfast, like an egg, helps keep you stay full until lunch and also builds strong muscles. You may think vegetables that are dark green in colour are kind of yucky, but they are actually very good for you. Leafy greens like spinach and lettuce are filled with good vitamins. Everyone likes the sweet stuff, but too much sugar is bad for your body. It can make you feel tired. So what can we do when we want something sweet? We look to our friend the fruit. Fruit is naturally sweet and contains many healthy benefits. Citrus fruits like oranges and strawberries are loaded with vitamin C. This boosts your immune system. Eating 5 servings of fruits and vegetables each day will give you lots of energy and help keep your mind focused. You may not have known this, but our bodies are made up of 83% water. When we feel thirsty, our bodies are saying, "Hey, I need some liquid." The most healthy way to give our bodies the fluid it needs is with water. Water is calorie-free, sugar-free, and is just plain good. We should drink at least 5 glasses of water every day. It's so much fun to play video games or spend time on the computer, but our bodies need to be active. Running, biking, or playing a sport each day makes our hearts strong, builds muscle, and keeps our bones sturdy. Now that you have learnt all of these healthy facts, be sure to treat your body each day with what it needs by eating good foods, drinking plenty of water, and staying active. You will be in tip-top shape and feeling great. And here I have made my butterfly fruit art. I hope you've had lots of fun creating your art today and you have learned lots about nutrition too. Not too much longer and we can get our banana bread out of the oven. Oh, that does smell nice. After about 40 minutes, your banana bread should be ready, and I hope it's super duper tasty too. Don't forget, if you want to decorate it, you can add icing sugar or melted chocolate. That's completely up to you. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like button, and I will see you again tomorrow at 1 o'clock. Bye bye.